Beats, garbage. $400 or $500 pair of headphones, garbage. Garbage. The prior Beats, these ones, phenomenal. The ones that Dr. Dre actually tuned, the ones the Monster made, and the ones that followed after Monster, like the next one, phenomenal. These were $400 or $500. They're phenomenal. Those ones are the upgraded version after Apple bought them. Garbage. Garbage. The volume on these is phenomenal. Bass, everything phenomenal. That, garbage. 50% volume of those ones. Garbage. Garbage and cheap build. Plastic and garbage. These ones are amazing. But they discontinued these. That's the issue. The Beats Studio Pro I bought. Okay? Thinking they would be okay. My AirPod Pros are 10 times better than those. My little earbuds, where are they? My little earbuds, okay? My little earbuds are 10 times better. Where are they? AirPods, okay? AirPod Pros, 10 times better than that garbage right there, okay? Apple bought them and then just let them go downhill. They don't even care. Think of AirPods and AirPod Maxes as Beats. They're true Beats, because Apple bought Beats, jacked all the good tech, put it in their stuff, and then just they don't even care if that name dies out. They just have it around because it still makes them money, because idiots buy it still and don't understand. To a normal person that doesn't know about audio and stuff, they'll listen to those and they tune them so they just sound okay. Normal people be like, oh, they're okay, but they know no better. Okay, $400 or $500. These ones costing me just about under 400. The Sennheisers Momentum 4. I was going to get the Sony XM5s. I've tried them. They're great headphones. They're, I think, a bit more expensive than these ones. Maybe like 80, whatever, like about $100 more. But I listened to a lot of people's reviews, comments, and all that stuff, right? These ones, everyone said, listen, man, the Sony ones are good. Don't get it wrong. But these ones, richer bass, better vocals, deeper bass, clearer sound, phenomenal. Transparency mode is just as good as Apple's. Okay, so don't let anybody tell you guys anything different. Active noise cancellation is phenomenal on these Sennheisers. Okay, they are amazing, guys. I'm not even just saying that. Okay, when I put those on, when I first got them, I thought it was a joke. I thought like someone was ribbing me. I thought something was wrong with the unit. I couldn't believe how low the volume was. It just bad, extremely bad. These, I put these on, and these actually blew me away. I wish they had a bit more volume, but the volume's good enough. But like it's loud enough. Those ones are garbage. Those ones are probably like 50%, 60%. These go to 100%. Trust me, Sennheisers, guys. Either those or the Sonys, depending on your taste. But if you want richer bass, clearer like vocals, and I'm telling you, the transparency mode is basically right there with Apple. Trust me, the AirPod Maxes are $700 and they're garbage. These AirPod Pros sound just as good as the AirPod Maxes. You don't believe me? Go try it out for yourself. I bought those buds after all the hype, thinking they wouldn't be that good. They're amazing. I'll never live without AirPods ever again in my life. The Pros. I tried the AirPod Maxes. Okay, those were like $300. AirPod Maxes are about $800, and they're garbage. I'm not even lying to you guys. Same quality. When I put the AirPod Maxes on, I thought they were going to be like triple as good as those ones. They're not. They're basically the same thing. It's so weird. Okay, those are $300 earbuds. The AirPod Maxes are $700 and they're a waste of money. You don't believe me? Try it out for yourself, guys, and then tell me if I'm lying. When I put the AirPod Maxes on for the first time, I thought, is something wrong? I'm like, why is the volume like the same volume as those, basically, right? Like, and basically same sounding. The only difference between these and the AirPod Maxes are the AirPod Maxes are, okay, maybe 10% more volume and a little bit of a fuller sound. But I'm telling you, once you compare the AirPod Pros to the AirPod Maxes, you're going to laugh, okay? If those are $300, the AirPod Maxes should be $350 or $400 max, $100 more. That's it. They're not. They're like triple the price. It's retarded. Get the Sennheisers, guys. You want to jam out to music, you get the Sennheisers. I'm telling you guys, these things are amazing. And they're cheaper than those, cheaper than the AirPod Maxes. Listen to me, guys. I've been doing music my whole life. Audio my whole life. If you want to listen to it the way I listen to it, get the Sennheisers. Or the Sonys are fine too. AirPod Maxes are a ripoff. If they were the same price, they'd be okay, but these are still better. When it comes to sound quality, The best sounding, like the music. Sennheisers are the best. Transparency mode's great. Active noise cancellation's great. The Beats, these are garbage. Garbage. Deserve to go in the garbage. Garbage. Get those, guys. Sennheisers, okay? Or if you can find an old pair of these ones, the original ones for like a decent price, but those are pricey too, man. But these, I'm telling you, just wait until you try these. Or the Sonys, okay? The Sonys are just as good too, like whatever. But I don't know about the mic on this when you have phone calls. Like, supposedly it's good. I haven't tried it yet. But yeah, like that's the only difference with the AirPod Maxes is you get the Apple stupid features, which is really nothing. These come with transparency mode, which is phenomenal. Not only that, the AirPod Maxes, $700. The Beats, $500, don't have no app. You can't equalize nothing. You can't tune nothing. Same with the AirPod Maxes. You can't tune or do anything. With these, they come with an app. You can tune everything, bunch of different profiles. You can make it just how you like it. Trust me, guys. Get the Sennheisers Momentum 4, baby. And look, and it's all swipe controls, guys. It's phenomenal. The AirPod Maxes don't even have these features, and they're triple the price. You just tap to play, swipe left and right to answer, pinch for transparencies, go like this for transparency, pinch and stretch. And you can control the strength of the transparency too by going up and down, swiping with gestures. AirPods can't even do that, right? Phone call, you can put it on hold, all touch and swipe gestures. Phenomenal, man. Phenomenal. Nothing but good things to say. I listened to the Eminem album on this thing. I was blown away, man. So it is what it is, guys. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and hit that bell so you get all notifications. Follow me at Teching It Out, and I'll be back. I'm telling you guys, this stuff is amazing. Give me a second. The Momentum 4s, man. The Momentum 4s. The Momentum 4s are amazing, guys. I'm telling you, man. And it comes with a nice hard shell case. The Beats comes with a soft thing that can still get crushed. So stupid, man. Get the Sennheisers, guys. Look. Oh, yeah. And I forgot to mention. 60 hours. Do you understand what kind of number that is? The AirPod Maxes, which are $800, okay? 5 times the price of these. Only last you 5 hours. And they sound worse. The Beats, $500. Only like half the battery life of this. 60 hours. Get on my level, ho. Get on my level. Sennheiser signature sound, customizable sound, adaptive noise cancellation, crystal clear phone calls, smart pause and auto off, and a bunch more features that none of the Apple stuff has. The Beats has nothing. And a quarter of the price. You want sound, you want good music, heavy bass, loudness, get the Sennheisers. You can try the Sonys if you like them, but these are more comfortable. Don't even feel like they're on your ears. Amazing. I'm done. Enjoy your guys' day. Peace.